How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video, and this video was pretty short notice. That's why I didn't really have time to record an intro, and by the time it ended I didn't have time to record an outro, so this will have to do. But anyway, I got invited to go out to Mexico and have some fun. I didn't know what kind of cars were gonna be there. I was told that pretty much all types of cars go out there for this type of meet, so I was pretty excited. It wasn't a fully fledged race meet, it was a little park and chill. And then we cruised down to Mexico and had some fun. And, well, the cars that went out to Mexico, they weren't too fast. And, I mean, I had fun. I'm not gonna lie. I still had fun. But, you'll see. You'll see in the footage that these mods really kick ass. So, anyways, I'm gonna let this footage roll. I don't condone going out there and racing on streets. Down in Mexico, it does get a little chaotic sometimes, and you will see just random cars. So just, if you're gonna do it, be safe, don't be stupid, and there's always a right place and a right time. So anyways, enjoy the video, and maybe I'll come back and narrate what's going on through some races. That being said, I'm not sure what kind of mods were done to each one of these cars. I know a lot of them were probably full bolts on E85, maybe some exhaust mods, but for the most part, I don't think anyone went completely bonkers and just destroyed their whole paycheck on their car. Maybe except for this guy right here. This guy for sure, probably twin turboed and full race gas, I would assume, 110 octane. But besides that, I think most of them are just full bolts on E85. Alright, so this first race looks like a lineup between a bunch of imports. It looks like a Golf, a G35, and something else. I'm not sure what the car is on the left, but watch. Next race from left to right is a Mazda 3 next to a Scat Pack, next to me, next to an M3. So we'll just watch the outcome. Same race, I believe. I should also mention that I can't really hear their horns all the time, so I usually just wait for their exhaust note to start kicking up, and well, then that's when I start going. Alright, this next race is, I think, just between me and this Mazda 3. I think he just wanted to see what I had, and, well, just watch my mirror. That was another instance of me not being able to hear his horn, but I saw him go, so I decided to go and chase him down for about 10 feet, and then I passed him. This next quote-unquote race, on the other hand, there was a car clearly in front of me, and this Mustang knew it, and he honked it down while I'm still in the wrong gear. I tried to chase him down, but I don't have enough room with this Infinity in front of me, so I decided, let me go ahead, chase him down, and we're going to get a couple rematches, because that didn't sit right with me. that Mustang, the red one, was probably one of the faster cars at the meet, and he just kept wanting to rematch me. My oil temp started getting a little bit hot, but I was like, fuck it, I'll just keep pushing it a little bit. I didn't have to push it too hard to beat him, but overall it was still fun. Yeah, on that one you could probably see I'm really trying to focus in on the passenger side mirror because I really want you guys to get good footage, and I didn't have a cameraman, so this was the best I could do. Next race, I crept up on the Mustang, lining it up with an M3, decided I wanted a little piece of this. I was trying to give them a car, but they started slowing down even more, so I just said fuck it. Last race was between me and a random M3 with unknown mods. I do have a couple more races, some older ones that I was unable to find a good video to throw them into, so I figured this is a good video, this is a racing video, let's throw in some old races. So this next race you're about to see is me versus my roommate's old classic 1965 Mustang. It has a built 1985 5.0 motor with a Vortex supercharger. This is me on my old setup when I was only pushing about 500 something wheels, so anyway guys, that's all of the racing videos I have for now. It's really fun and it's really satisfying to see a build start to pay off. I know I was racing cars that weren't in my league, but it was still fun and satisfying to race early 2000 cars that are similar to mine that I just destroy. I don't think it was that fair of a race. Clearly I did have probably a lot more money into my car, and I'm not too proud of that, but it's still fun. I had a good time, and that's what racing is all about, just having fun. Unless you're racing for money, then it's all about money, but I wasn't racing for money. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you want to see videos similar to this one, let me know and I'll try to go down to Mexico more often. I hope my car is okay because I was really pushing it yesterday, really just putting a beat on it like there was no tomorrow. I was abusing that shit like it was a tie hooker, and well, it held up thankfully, so that's good news. But anyways, if you want to support the channel and the build, pick up some merch, link in description down below, really helps out a lot. That's money that YouTube does not touch, thankfully. And well, until next video, peace.